Welcome back to Tech by Pike. Today we are going to be unboxing the MSI GS66 Stealth gaming laptop. This laptop comes with a Core i7 11th gen processor, that's the i7-11800H. Comes with the RTX 3060 GPU, comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte solid state drive, and the screen is a 1080p with 240 hertz refresh rate. I've really been looking forward to taking a closer look at this laptop. Let's unbox it and then I'll have some initial thoughts at the end. Let's get into this. Start with the brick first. The laptop by itself weighs 4 pounds, 12.6 ounces, and then with the power brick, it is a hefty 6 pounds, 11.6 ounces. Alright, the laptop, the design is a little square, a little boxy here. It has this lip right here where you can bring the screen up, the lid. Very little flex in the top of the laptop. Let's check out the ports here. On the left hand side you have a power jack. That's the USB-C Thunderbolt, HDMI, USB-A. Looks like there is a battery light indicator right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then you got your venting here. And then on the right side you have a headphone microphone jack, USB-C, looks like it's a display port as well, USB-A, USB-A, Ethernet jack, and then some more venting. You got venting in the back, and then you have, wow, big intake grill underneath, and it looks like you've got 8 Phillip head screws around the bottom here, and one extra one underneath the factory seal is my guess. I really like the unassuming design of this laptop. You can see that there is an MSI logo on the top, but it's kind of a darker charcoal black, and you can't really see it unless you're on top of it. You can open the lid itself with this little tab here, a little bit of a lip, and then the mouse here is really good size. Good clicking action towards the middle and the bottom, but once you start getting to the top, then it stops. No flex really on the palm rest. You have the 2 upward facing speakers. No flex on the sides. The grills here for air intake, very little flex there, and towards the bottom of the screen here, very little flex. The keyboard itself has decent key travel, doesn't feel mushy, good clicking action, not bad. It's a Steel Series keyboard, so that's expected. The only thing I really don't like is this big bezel down at the bottom of the screen here. I think they could have probably reduced that by a little bit. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but you do have the 720p webcam here at the top of the lid, and we'll test that out during the benchmarking along with the speakers themselves. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the internals here. It took us a little while to get the 9 screws out the bottom of the laptop to remove the aluminum bottom here. Take note that the 1 screw underneath the front of the laptop is shorter than the rest of them, and then we have the 9th screw, which is underneath the factory seal sticker, so something else to note. Let's go ahead and take this off here. There were lots of clips. The screws came out fine, but there's lots of clips holding this in place, and so that took a little time. We didn't break any clips, but I could see where if somebody was in a real rush, the clips could break fairly easily. Good grill for intake. Aluminum bottom. So we have our 99.99 watt battery, which is the biggest battery that you can take on an airline. You have the 2 down-facing speakers. You have the swappable Wi-Fi 6 card, which is great. You have the 1 terabyte SSD that came with this laptop. There is an extra slot here for another SSD, so lots of options for upgrading the storage. And then you have the 2 slots for your memory, and this came with 16 gigs, so we have 2 8s here, but I'm pretty sure you can upgrade this to 32 or maybe even 64 gigs. So lots of options to upgrade, which is fantastic. We have the 3 fans here, and then the GPU and CPU. So lots of venting going on, and lots of opportunity for cooling down the laptop while you're playing your AAA games. So that's great news. The MSI GS66 Stealth gaming laptop. There's not much about this laptop I don't like so far. Very unassuming, has just the MSI Dragon logo on the top of the lid there in the charcoal black. It's thin, it's somewhat light, it's rigid and very sturdy, very little flex throughout. Lots of I/O. The only thing it's missing is an SD card slot. I wish it had that for the creators. The internals, lots of opportunity for upgrading from the SSD to the memory, eventually the Wi-Fi card. Lots of heat pipes for cooling for those AAA games, the 3 fans. The trackpad, the mouse trackpad, very large, very good action there. The keyboard is good. We will test out the screen a little later in our next video. I had that bezel at the bottom. I wasn't too fond of that. Doesn't affect the performance of the laptop, but it's just a big bezel. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more tech videos like this from Tech by Pike, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. It gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you, and it gives us an opportunity to get better at what we're doing here. And we really do appreciate that. So thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video.